less than 36 hours until non-farm payroll data and unemployment rate data is getting released on Friday this week. And what is the best rate for today and what is the best rate for tomorrow? I'm going to discuss in this video. Before we go to chart, as usual, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the chart. Usually, on the non-farm payroll data release, traders often choose gold as its main pair to trade in non-farm payroll data release. So what will happen for gold on Friday? On Friday, what will happen to gold on Friday? Let's see. On the daily chart, the price already made here symmetrical triangle. Okay, actually the price already made ascending triangle, not symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle should be look like this. Okay, and right now the price is making ascending triangle based on, if we are going to plot it based on the close to close candlestick pattern. Okay, and the price right now already break its resistance. Okay, here the resistance has been break with a massive volume, and on the Friday we are going to see that the price will likely to correct or make a pullback to its prior resistance, and it will become support. So this resistance zone right around here, this resistance zone will eventually become support. Resistance becomes support. And for today, the best way to trade prior to non-farm payroll data release or unemployment rate and an unemployment rate data release is to wait for the pullbacks. And today there is chance that the gold going to make a pullback, which is at around this price. We see that there is a rally-based rally formation here. Another one which is on here. This is small, very small one. Right there, you can enter based on the rejection of the demand zone. Let me change it to green because demand zone should be green, not red. This one. Okay, the main plan for today, if you're trading on the gold or XAUUSD, you want to wait for the price to make a pullback on the demand zone, and you want to wait for the valid rejection, of course. And for the lower time frame on 30 minutes time frame, as usual, I advise you that you wait for the price on 30 minutes time frame to align like in the 4-hour chart, which is bullish trend. Okay, if you are not seeing any pattern on the 30 minutes time frame, or the pattern or the structure itself on the 30 minutes time frame haven't aligned like in the 4-hour chart, you should not take the trade on the gold. Okay, because it was too risky. It doesn't have the potential that the price will likely to continue on the upside momentum. So that this is why it's very critical, it's very important. If you are going to trade on the gold right now, you have to wait for the valid rejection. Also, the pattern itself show a validation on the bullish momentum on 30 minutes time frame, and then after that you can start plotting, or you can start entering based on the 30 minutes time frame that the trend has been aligned like in the forward chart. Okay, and by the way guys, don't forget that we have 20% off in all our instant funding plan. Instead of you are going to get 50% profit split, you are going to straight to 80% profit split, and this offer ends in 4 more days. So catch it while it can, and well, after the promo is gone, it's gone. Okay, let's back to the chart and let's discuss the DXY. What is the potential DXY movement in today and in the next couple of hours? In the forward chart, the price still makes the bearish structure or bearish trend. You see right here, the price still makes a lower peak, and then lower trough, then lower trough. But overall trend on the DXY on forward chart, the price makes quite long sideways momentum or consolidation. So if we are going to zoom out in the daily chart, we can see right here the price makes consolidation or sideways momentum right here. And like in the last previous week, the pattern still move in the falling wedge pattern formation. Check here and then here. There you go. And of course, the pattern itself has been validated by the breakout of the pattern right here, and the price right now move in the bullish momentum. Why I say it like that? Because the price now makes a new high. This is as the change of character or behavior change, and right now the price still holding on above previous support, which is at around here at around $97, and the price keep holding and holding, waiting for the non-farm payroll data and unemployment rate to release on Friday. This is why we see on the XY is moving on consolidation or sideways momentum. This is why other pair like in the euro or dollar or pound dollar or maybe Australian dollar or Aussie, it's moving very low on low volatility rather than previous week, because the market is still waiting for the data to be released, because this month data for the non-farm payroll data is going to be reflected, by the way, on the August data. It's very critical for the Fed to determine if they are going to cut 2 times in this year 2025, or it is enough to cut only 25 basis points this year. If the Fed only cut once this year, it's going to be very bullish for the XY. If there is chance that price on this September is going to cut 50 basis points, it is going to be very bearish for the DXY, because the market only expect 25 basis point cut rather than 50 basis point rate cut in the single meeting. You are going to trade to 80% profit split, and this offer end in 4 more days. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and comment in this video. And of course, don't forget to follow our TikTok, X, and Instagram so you can get notified if I made this kind of video. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.